angels, hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a couple of things I wanted to go over with you girls. I have an unboxing, as well as I wanted to talk about different accessories that I would be using in this bag, and just chew the fat and talk about some other bags in my handbag collection. So I wanted to cover more than one topic today. So if you like handbag videos, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started, let's jump right in. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is this beauty right here. I've talked about her on my channel so many times before, and then I have an unboxing that I want to do. The reason I wanted to talk about this lovely bag right here is because recently Geiger put out another bag that's very similar to this Kensington, and the one that they put out has rhinestones on it, as well as they put out a bucket bag with the little coin pouch. So because I already have this Kensington, although I was really attracted to the crossbody with the crystals on it, and I'll go ahead and insert a photo. You know, I don't want to keep buying the same bag over and over in different styles. So this one satisfies me so much. This was a Christmas present for me last year, and I've enjoyed the heck out of this bag. I've got my money's worth and then some out of this lovely Geiger Kensington crossbody. So I'm happy with this bag. So instead of purchasing the same bag in duplicate, but just with the rhinestones, I picked another similar alternative from another company. And I've been talking about Steve Madden a lot on my channel, so it's no secret. The company that I decided to go with was Steve Madden, instead of purchasing the Geiger Kensington in the rhinestone crystal version. Also, we all love the Prada crystal bag. That's such a beautiful bag, but I've just decided to go ahead and at this time, what works for me is some of the affordable options for that. So that was one reason why I ended up picking up this. This satisfied me also, as opposed to the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. And I'm very happy with this bag. Now, Geiger also did, I wanted to bring you lovely ladies' attention to the Geiger online website, or they have it at Nordstrom, they have it at Von Maur, but Geiger also did a bucket bag that's so cute, and the price is very affordable as well. It's very similar to this Geiger Kensington right here, but it's a bucket bag and it has the same little coin purse dangling off of it. So I wanted to bring you lovely ladies' attention to Geiger, to those two bag options. If you haven't noticed them yet online, I wanted to bring your attention to it, and maybe one of you girls could pick it up, because I decided that as cute as they are, I'm gonna go ahead and pass on those. I'm pretty happy with this one and with the other bags in my handbag collection. So talking about this lovely bag, let's go ahead and talk about one of the options that I decided to go with. So you girls, I'm getting ready to go ahead and pull up my package that was delivered today, but I did go ahead and bring some gloves in here, because you guys know those packages are dirty when they come off the truck. So I brought my gloves in here, and I'm ready to go ahead and handle my package now. So I'm not gonna put it up here because it is, you know, like I said, the packages are dirty, but this is it right here. And you can see where I ordered from. I did go ahead and open this, but I didn't go ahead and fully take everything out. Is that upside down? It is. Okay, so now I'm ready. You guys can see where I went ahead and ordered. And it's so funny because it says, if seal is broken, check contents before signing. And the delivery driver didn't ring my doorbell, just dropped this package at the door. So I know sometimes they do have you sign, Coach, and some of the other companies. I've signed for Steve Madden before, but this time around, my package was just left at my door. Thankfully, I was able to go ahead and get it. So this is the way my lovely package came. I just went ahead and opened the top, but I didn't fully go inside of it until now with you girls. So I'm going to go ahead and take my receipt out. You guys don't want to see that. Go ahead and take my receipt out, and I can already see my beauty right here. So this is what I decided to go with, you guys. And this is the Steve Madden BMAVIS bag. There she is right there. She's so cute. She's called the Steve Madden BMAVIS bag. And what I wanted to talk to you girls about is, let me go ahead and get this box out the way. Okay, so now I have her right here. I can go ahead and take my gloves off. Okay, so what I wanted to talk to you girls about is that tell me, I know I'm not the only one that does this. I recently, in one of my shopping trips when I went to the store, I recently located this lovely bag in store and I left it. That happens to me all the time, and I know it happens to some of you girls. I think it's because I'm trying, you try to avoid sometimes, you can't buy everything. And sometimes I realize that there's a bag that I'm going to have to pass on. So I was going to pass on this one. And then just like always, this bag haunted me in my sleep. I'm joking, you guys. But basically, I couldn't take my mind off of it. I kept thinking about it, thinking about why didn't I get it? If it's still there, when I go back tomorrow, I'm gonna get it. I went back the next day, it was still there. And guess what? I left it again. And I was like, trying to resist it. It's until that third or fourth or final time when you go back and it's gone, and then it's like, OMG. Then it's like, okay, the world is about to end. I have to have it. Now I gotta order it. So I ended up, luckily for me, it was still online at Steve Madden. But the good thing is, there's a plus and a minus with that. Sometimes when you wait so long, the bag is no longer available on the website. So you have to look for it somewhere else, maybe on the pre-loved market. But then that's the bad thing about it. I think I said good thing. That's the bad thing about it, is that sometimes the bag is no longer available and you have to look for it on the secondary market. The good thing is that sometimes if you wait and they still have a lot in stock, they'll clearance it or they'll put it on sale. And that's what happened with this beauty. They put her on sale, so I was able to pick her up for a little affordable price, a little bit more of an affordable price. So let me go ahead and open this baby up. Let's see here. I have some scissors in here with me. So yeah, I thought about it, you girls. And I decided to, I did go back, but a couple of times I went back and she was still there. And then I think one final time when I went back, she was gone. But I was already, it's like, in your heart, when you really want something. And I was like, as much as I was trying to resist it, I knew I wanted the bag. And I know I can't have every bag that I run across sometimes when I'm shopping, but some of them, I'm gonna make sure I go ahead and get them, you guys. So here is my lovely beauty. Oh, she's shining like a gem. Okay, here she is. And this is what she looks like. The Steve Madden BMAVIS. Go ahead and take this off. I know she might not be everybody's cup of tea, but it's about what makes you happy in your collection. So for me, she's perfectly fine and just as good as any of the other higher end bags in my collection, and she's gonna make me happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take her tag off. And I usually save these. I don't know why I like saving these. Okay, so let me go ahead and clip this tag off. This is just the tag that secures the strap to the bag. Take that off. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun playing with this bag. That's what the bags are, that's all. They're fun to wear around town. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up this part, you guys. I don't wanna take up too much more of your time, and then we'll be back when I have this beauty totally unwrapped. Okay, I'm back, you girls, and I have my lovely beauty right here. And I was wondering, anytime you order in the mail, you always kind of wonder, you pray and you hope and you think, I hope I get a good one. I hope they send me a good one. Just like when we order our Dooney and Burke satchels with the Florentine leather, or when we order any of our Coach bags, we want to make sure that we get a good one. Sometimes you don't know how something is going to arrive to you in the mail, so you just kind of hope that you get a good one, but I think this is good. So this is what she looks like. One thing that I will say, now it says Steve Madden right there on the bottom. One thing that I will say is that I noticed with my Steve Madden bags, I love the bags, but I tend to like to replace the straps. So this strap, for some reason, the hardware straps are always quality enough for me. I always like the Steve Madden straps. I noticed that on another one of my Steve Madden bags, but because they are, some of them, not all of them, but some of them are simulated leather or faux leather, I like to replace the strap. So I probably will be replacing this longer strap right here with another leather strap. And then that way I can just carry the bag. And that's just me. That's just my preference. You know, you could carry the bag with the original strap or with any strap you want to replace it with. But that's probably something that I'm going to do. I'm going to keep this strap on and this little one as well, but this longer strap right here. And my other Steve Madden bag that is a crossbody, I had to cut, or I'll have to cut it off, and I might do that on camera so you girls could see me do it. But this one, I could just go ahead and unhook it and I won't harm the bag. But I like her. I'm gonna like the little, you know, you just wanna play glam sometimes. And for date night, you know, this will be a cute little bag to wear. And then I have several accessories here that I thought would look really, really cute with her. So of course, I love my Kate Spade card holder. I thought that would be cute to wear with her. As far as eyeshadows, I can bring along my Dior eyeshadow palette. Those eyeshadow colors, and I just like matching up everything in my bag, would look really, really cute. As well as I have this Revolution eyeshadow palette that will look cute if I carry this with her. What else did I bring in here? And of course, just all black accessories like this Kate Spade card holder would look nice, as well as this Radley of London little makeup case would look cute in here. Or I can go with this Coach makeup case as well. So yeah, I just wanted today to talk about my Steve Madden BMAVIS bag. And this bag is still available online. So go ahead and check out Steve Madden online. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my playlist on other Steve Madden bags. I'll be back soon with either another unboxing or a review, as well as I'll be talking about some more Steve Madden bags and Coach and Michael Kors. Don't forget, I'm going to be back always talking about Michael Kors. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you girls in tomorrow's video. Bye.